Hello and welcome so much guys to my channel, and today I'm going to show you 3 ways of installing software in Linux operating system. So the first way is using the terminal, the second way is using the .deb file, the third way is using the .run file. So let's get started. Now the first thing you have to do is to go to the website or where that software is contained, and then download that file. Okay, so if I want to install the AnyDesk software, I'll go to the AnyDesk website, and then I'll get the software to download. Okay, this is the download button. If I click on download, I'm downloading for my desktop, which is Debian, but you can download for Fedora, Open, and all the other distros. Okay, so I've downloaded it already, and it is here. It is a .deb file. And I'm also going to download an example of .run, which is the XAMPP server. So XAMPP server comes with the .run extension. So I've already also downloaded it, and it is in my downloads folder. So if I go to the downloads folder, you'll find that we have the AnyDesk, that is a .deb file, and we also have the XAMPP server installer, which has .run extension. So the first thing you have to do after downloading these files is to navigate to the directory in which they are saved using on the terminal. So in my case, they are in the downloads folder. So I'll navigate to the downloads folder, and I'm in the downloads folder. If I do ls, you'll get to see all the files that are in the downloads folder, and we have the .run, this is the .run, that is the XAMPP server, and we also have the .deb, that is the AnyDesk file. So let's begin with .run. So for you to install .run file, you have to make it executable, because by default they are not executable. So for us to do that, we use chmod command. So do chmod and then +x. This will give them the execution permission. Then you paste that, and you can paste or write the file name, and it will make that file executable. Okay, so after doing that, by default it usually has color white, the .run file, but after giving it the execution permission, it will change to green, meaning that it is executable. So after doing that, you have to install it using the sudo command, where I do sudo and then the path to the file. So in my case, the file is inside this folder, which is download folder. So I'll just do / like that, and then I'll paste the name of the file and hit enter. And if I did this correctly, it is going to open the installation interface of that file. So since it is the XAMPP server, it has opened the installation interface, and you use the stepwise process of installation. So what about the .deb file? So you have the anydesk.deb file. So this you install it the same way you install a terminal using the terminal command. So where you just do sudo apt get install and then the name of the software, and in our case we are installing using the file, so we have to provide the path to that file, which since it is in the download, I just do / and then paste that, and this is the path to that file. And if I hit enter, it will begin installing that file. So since I have it already installed, it will not install it, but see, if you have not installed it, it will install. So those are the 2 ways. Now let's go to the third and the last way I want to talk about in this video, and that is using the terminal command. So some softwares provide the terminal command for installing them, where I just copy that command and install it using the terminal. So in my case, I want to install OpenShot, and OpenShot has this terminal command, that is sudo apt get install and then the name of the software. So just copy that command, and if I go to the terminal here, just paste that, sudo apt-get install the software name and hit enter, and it will begin installing that software. You just allow it and then hit enter, and it will begin downloading that software and install it. So guys, those are the 3 ways. In my case, it is the most popular ways of installing software. So if you have any question, let me know in the comment section, and if you have any concern, just let me know and I'll look at it. Thank you so much.